Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz651 Models, a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. So we are doing HobbyBoss 2020-2021 catalogue. If it's your first time here, welcome along. I do catalogue page by page videos. That means I get a manufacturer's catalogue, I flick through it page by page, and you can see what's inside. If something takes your fancy, just press pause and you can see what's on the page and hopefully read it. You need to see this in good quality, so I filmed it in either 1080p or 4K. Go to the cog, click settings and pick quality, and go to the highest settings it will go. Also, put this in full screen so you can watch it in all of its glory. So, here is the HobbyBoss 2021 catalogue. Enjoy. HobbyBoss 2020-2021 catalogue. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, comments, leave them in the box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.